step into the Dodge 2019 Journey say. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include monotone paint application, engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, quick order package 22A included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, Vice white, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 steel, STD, normal duty suspension, STD, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, black premium cloth low back bucket seats and tires, P225/65R17 BSWAS steering, STD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click